a new video. Look at this hair, so juicy. I finally got to, I don't even know if I should call it passion twist. I don't know, but these are super juicy, super duper juicy. Should I call them juicy twists? I don't know, but you see that? The shine. Major issue with this hair, honestly, is just the direction of the twist changes. Like this one goes this way, this one goes this way, this one goes this way. They're going in like different directions. Why do that? Why complicate our lives like this? But yep, it's the final look. Loving it, loving it, loving it, loving it. What I like about it, different from my spring twist, is the color. The color won't, you know, make it too apparent that I have rubber bands on my roots. Like, I could see them, but they're not as like in your face. There is a definite change when it comes to crocheting with rubber bands than rubber bands and then braiding and then twisting. I don't know if it would be the same if I were to crochet, braid, and then twist, but then again, I don't like to unbraid. It takes an unbelievable amount of time to unbraid hair. So I just twisted from the beginning, not from the roots, but from the beginning. And this hair actually is less silky than the hair that I used in my first passion twist videos, because I could actually enter these without the rubber bands or crochets. All right, now let's go see how I achieve this look. So I blow dried the night before. I used my trusty Jane Carter Solution Revitalizing Leave-In Conditioner. And then throughout my scalp, I use the Argan Oil of Morocco. I'll do it again, actually. And then I actually pre-parted everything. Oh, I hope I'm not messing it up, but each little twist is gonna be a twist. I'm using the lulutress corkscrew 18-inch. I bought 3 packs in the color number 2. I hope 3 packs will be enough. I won't make it like super long. Like, I want it to be the length of my hair, so like about here. Let me go lotion my elbows because they're looking really ashy. You can't see it, but it's snowing pellets of snow. I'll probably like film it a bit and then show you on the corner so you can see what it looks like. I'm gonna take a bowl, put some rubber bands in there. I'm using the Main Choice Growth Oil just so I could put oil in these rubber bands. I think it's gonna be my final attempt at passion twists. Like, I'm done. After this, I'm done. After this is the last one. If I don't get it by now, you know what, passion twists are just not for me. I saw the video from Minnie Marley and I want to try it out, so that's what we're gonna do. I am going to use the Eden Body Works Natural Pudding Souffle for the rest of my strands. I'm going to use my favorite Murray's Edge Wax. This is my like new all-time favorite. It's the best. Very soft. I don't think I'm doing this right. Oh, okay. This one I have to twist towards my right side. As you can see, it's looking a lot juicier when I twist going towards the right, but when I was doing it towards the left, it wasn't it. So I guess each hair company curls their hair in a different direction. I don't know. I'm trying to confuse this. The crochet method, one other thing with the spring twist, some of it was like slipping off, so like you could see like this much of my hair Whereas this one, it's not slipping off. Did it! I'm giving 3 turns per rubber band on top and at the bottom. And then putting 1 finger. I hope I like the style though, because something you need to know about me. Some styles look really good on other people, and then when I do it, I'm like, I don't like it so much. Okay. What? Are you kidding me? Now it works towards the left? It's gonna be a guessing game? Oh, come on. Now it's towards the left. First of all, I'm not so much of a fan of the rubber banded ends as I thought I would be. I think that I'm going to remove the rubber bands at the ends. I think it looks nicer when the twists are a bit more jumbo. So what I've been doing in the front is actually just leave, I would cut it and then just twirl it around my finger. I definitely could not have done 2 strands per twist because I just opened the 3rd pack and I don't have that many strands left. That was my phone, but it's not an iPhone, so there's the back. I don't know how it's looking. I don't think this type of hair would need rubber bands at the roots because it's not as slippery as the first hair that I tried to do passion twist with. Finally, I did this style. Love it. Finally. Since this hair is also a bit heavier, not heavy on my head, but heavier with the spring twist hair, since it's a lighter with the rubber bands, it kind of like poked out. So I always had to put the satin scarf on so that I could lay it down. I don't know if you know what I'm saying. It would poke out. But I think this one, since the hair is a bit heavier, it already weighs it down rather than, you know, making it poke out and then go down. I finally did it. It's, you know, trial and error, watching like 25 million videos about it. You'll get it at some point like I did. I started at 12 and finished at 5, I believe. Yeah, I finished at 5 because that's when my food came. So 5 hours. But then again, I did pre-part the hair the night before. Maybe in total 7 hours. You don't lose time doing twists. Taking them down, even easier. But yeah, I totally like these. I hope you enjoyed the video. And I hope to see you on the next one. Bye.